No matter how early you have begun your NEET PG preparations, these last 30 days for NEET PG preparations are very crucial, and the countdowns begin from today itself. Hello students, and welcome to our channel Select Your University, where your career matters. Today I'll be giving you the perfect plan of action for last 30 days before the NEET PG takes place. If you follow this strategy for 30 days, then the sleepless night and the hard work you have put in will reward you eventually. So let's get started without any delay. First, have a clear idea of NEET PG syllabus and paper pattern. As most of the students are aware of the paper pattern and syllabus, but let me go through it again. The syllabus of NEET PG covers topic from preclinical, paraclinical and clinical sections. There will be 200 MCQs which will carry 800 marks in total. The exam will be computer based and the time duration will be of 3 hours and 30 minutes. The examination will be held in the English language only. Candidates can appear for a mock test and a grand test to have a clear picture of NEET PG exam. However, NBE follows a negative marking system for this NEET PG examination. For each correct answer, you'll get 4 marks, and for each incorrect answer, you'll get -1. Now, moving on to a plan of action to crack NEET PG exam with strong and smartest strategy. First and foremost, you have to complete the entire syllabus at least once. You need to take care of MCQs plus topics should go hand in hand. There are total 19 subjects in NEET PG, where you can divide subjects or topics in 3 segments, which is volatile topics, very frequently asked topic, must go through topics. Give 1 day for a rapid revision. Rapid revision is must for your NEET PG exam. Appear for mock test and grand test, which will accelerate your NEET PG preparation. Now, how to do it? Go through notes and MCQs. Watching videos will be helpful if notes are unable to do that. Draw a plan of action of every other day before you go to sleep and start freshly in the morning without wasting any time. The subject you are planning to read that day, start with the MCQs first. Read the topics and understand. Then apply the strategy while solving the questions. Now you have to take care of 2 points, topics and time. For topics, try to have a better grasping of the topics. Time management with the speed and accuracy. Now what I'm going to tell you is out of your syllabus, but it is very helpful throughout your preparation. First point, keep your surroundings positive, those who make you feel good and motivated simultaneously. Channelize yourself towards a correct medium. Spend some time socializing with your family and friends to hold your sanity. At some point of time, students feel low and demotivated while going through the preparation. So it's nothing new, it happens with every student. So you don't have to worry about it, okay? Whenever you're feeling like this, what you have to think of: first point, why are you doing this? Second, why are you dream of becoming a doctor? Third, where will you be after 10 years from today? And at the end, you must say that you will do it. You will achieve it and you will come off with the flying colors. For that, you need to stick to the strategy and keep your focus. To conclude from beginning to end, solve previous year question paper. Go through diagrams and its labeling. Rapid revision is must. Appear for mock test and grand test. Improve your understanding and valuing your time. Say no to social media. Please keep yourself away from the social media. Channelize yourself towards motivational videos, but not that much because time doesn't wait for anyone. Keep positivity around you. I hope you'll do the best. Thank you for watching this video.